Here are 3 of our absolute favorite things to do on the Snæfellsnes Peninsula in West Iceland. Number 1. The Viking Sushi boat tour. This family-friendly boat tour departs from the cozy town of Stykkishólmur. It's perfect for bird enthusiasts as well and takes you super close to the steep cliff sides where the birds are nesting during summertime. It's a terrific opportunity for puffin spotting. The highlight of the boat tour is of course the sushi part, where you get to see and taste the catch of the day straight from the sea. Trust us, you've never had scallops and sea urchins as fresh as these. Number 2. Kayaking by the famous Mount Kirkjufell. Kirkjufell is one of the most photographed mountains in all of Iceland, and this tour allows you to enjoy the breathtaking view of the mountain from the sea. We highly recommend the Midnight Sun tour, which allows you to experience the mountain view in spectacular golden light. After your adventure, it's time for a treat. Hot chocolate and a last long look at the setting sun. A sight you'll never forget. Number 3. Exploring the deep of Vatnhellir lava cave. The famous novel Journey to the Center of the Earth by Jules Verne starts on Snæfellsnes, so what better place to go on an underground adventure? Don't worry about journeying into the deep. At Vatnhellir you'll be escorted through the complete darkness of the 8,000-year-old lava cave by your knowledgeable guide. This tour is a terrific opportunity to learn all about the unique geology of Iceland and our country's fascinating volcanic surroundings. As a plus, this experience is family friendly as well, so you can bring your kids along on this adventure as long as they're 5 years or older. You can book all of these experiences on guidetoiceland.is.